The phone has been listed on the official Malaysian online store ahead of the launch. The listing reveals design, color options, and specifications of the phone, leaving out only pricing and availability details. Huawei Novan 8i Summary. Huawei Novan 8i Mobile was launched on July 7, 2021. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch display with a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. Huawei Novan 8i is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Huawei Novan 8i runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4300 mAh non-removable battery. The Huawei Novan 8i supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei Novan 8i on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f1.9 aperture, an 8-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture, a 2-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture, and a 2-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 16-megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f2.0 aperture. The Huawei Novan 8i runs EMUI 11 is based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Huawei Novan 8i is a dual SIM mobile that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. It was launched in Moonlight Silver, Interstellar Blue, and Starry Black colors. It bears a glass body. Connectivity options on the Huawei Nova 8i include Wi-Fi 802.11, a BGN AC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor.